Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What I Eat in a Day. Thank you so much for your comments, for enjoying these, for engaging. Honestly, I always say I love to film them. I love eating, I love sharing recipes, I love sharing foodie ideas, and honestly the fact that you guys are enjoying them and appreciating them means so much, because my time is super limited at the moment and I'm really trying hard to make sure that I get 2 videos up a week. So to know that you guys are loving them, enjoying them is amazing. So thank you for that. Today was weigh day and I've actually lost another pound, which is insane. You probably can't tell actually. I'm just about to start that time of the month, so I'm feeling very bloated at the moment and I'm in very baggy, comfortable clothing, but I can feel it in my face. I can feel it. I can feel it, to be honest. You know, I can just feel it. It's great. It's almost half a stone, so that is incredible. So today is a Friday. I've had breakfast. Friday is quite busy for me meeting wise, so I had a banana and a coffee, and I know that's not exciting, but I was in work mode, didn't really fancy anything more, but now I am hungry, so I'm gonna have some smoked salmon with cream cheese. Cannot wait. And then tonight it's Friday, so we're gonna have something quite bougie. We're gonna have steak, which I love, so I can't wait to share that with you. I actually have a new meat thermometer as well, so I'm gonna cook it perfectly and I'm so excited to try it. It's not sponsored, bought it with my own money, but I'm just very excited to try it. So we're gonna have a nice sirloin with some veggies, perhaps some chips, and it's gonna be a delicious one. So yeah, let's get on with the day. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment because I read every single one. Right, so let's have a little look at what things are going to equate to. So I have some light Philadelphia here. That is 2 points a serving, so I'm going to track that. Absolutely fine. I don't track butter, which I know might seem a little bit kind of like, why not track it? That's what I use my weeklies for. This is just a lighter version of Lurpak Original, so I will give you the point value just in case you're interested, but it's not something I'm going to track personally. It's 1 point for a teaspoon, which is probably what I would use. We also have here the salmon that I'm going to be using, which is just one that I picked up the other day when I was in Sainsbury's, and this is, let me check the serving. This is 0 points for a portion, which is amazing. Very happy about that, so I'm going to track that. And I will check what that equates to in grams, although, I mean, salmon weighs nothing and I don't have too much of it, so it will be a serving for me, no worries at all. And then I'm going to have it on some of this bread, which is one of my favourite sourdoughs. I get it from M&S, and this is, one slice is 2 points, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to grams and get the slices that I want and weigh them out, because I always find, especially with bread, you can never really take the serving size for granted, because it can vary depending on how much you're having and what you're having. So I need to dig out my scales. They're in that cupboard, I just clearly can't see for looking. So these are 2 slices that I'm going to have, and these are quite weighty. In fact, let me just make sure that's gone back to 0. These are quite weighty, so that's 89 grams or 86 grams, sorry, for 2 slices. So I'm going to see what that equates to, because I have a feeling it's going to be slightly more, and this is why I like to check, especially with things like bread. So that's 5 points for that, which again is perfectly fine for me because I don't mind spending that on it. So lunch is 7 so far, and yeah, let's get started. About 3:30 and I've decided to have an afternoon snack. Now this might mean that I'm going to dip into my weeklies today, just because I know carrot cake is quite high in point value and I've not had my dinner yet, and I think I have about, I don't know, about 16 points left, which is still a decent amount of points, but by the time I've had my dinner tonight there's not going to be much left, so I think it is likely that I'll go over today, which is fine. That's what weeklies are for. I'm going to use the barcode scanner because this is something that I wouldn't have very frequently. And I'm going to warn you guys, carrot cake, I mean, it's something I don't personally pay attention to when it comes to the point value that much because it is ridiculously high. And to be honest, it would prevent you, let me just stick you up here. If we focused on the point value of carrot cake too much, I think most people will be reluctant to have it, and I don't play by that kind of rule. I'm going to have it. If it turns out that this one slice is going to look like it's 15 points, I'm not going to stress about it at all. I'm going to have it because likelihood is in calories, it's not going to be that high. It's not going to be that detrimental to my day. So I'm going to have that with a cup of tea. But yeah, this is going to be mega when it comes to points. I'm not going to weigh this out for the simple reason, again, it will make me obsess about the portion size and whether I'm having too much, and I know full well that I don't tend to overindulge when it comes to cake, so it's likely that this is just a high point value and it's nothing to do with the amount of it I'm actually eating. So I'm not going to be particularly numerate in this case, but I think if you are being strict and you really want to know and you want to play, you know, completely by the rule book and know exactly what you're consuming, weigh it out, point it, it's easier. But for me, I'm just going to have a small slice and I'm not going to worry about it, as I mentioned, too much. So I would say that's probably, I would say, a fair serving. It's much smaller than you would get if you went to a coffee shop or something. But I think you'd be very, very surprised to learn that that is probably about a 12 to 15 point serving if I was to weigh it out. But again, I'm not going to do that because it'll stress me out. But I've been really craving carrot cake all day, so I wasn't about to not scratch that itch, because I think that once you start denying yourself completely a little bit of what you fancy, it becomes a chore and you're not going to want to keep up with it. So I'm all about using your weeklies for something like this. Don't deprive yourself. If you want a bit of cake, have the cake. Already made a start on dinner, so I've cut up some aubergines and I've literally just soaked them in olive oil, salt and pepper. I am going to put a little bit of the same seasoning that I've used for the steak, which is just very simple: salt, pepper, olive oil, garlic, steak seasoning, sorry, and lemon juice. I'm just going to echo that throughout the aubergine, and then when these go into cook, they're going to absorb a lot of flavour. Like, honestly, these will be so crispy and delicious. If you've not tried roasted aubergine with steak, you really need to. So anyway, I'm going to brush these, make sure that they're all coated liberally in olive oil. They've basically been cut into batons and they're going to go in the oven soon. And again, these are just sirloin steaks that I got from Tesco, very simple, and we'll check on the app later what they equate to. Dinner was delicious. I mean, steak's just one of those things that it's just always a good idea. I had it with sweet potato fries, as you saw, the aubergine, which was lovely, and I actually ended up sharing that carrot cake from before with Andrew, because I kind of feel like when you have dessert, I'm one of those people where I never eat it all myself. I'm a bit of a feeder, so I only actually ended up having 8 points worth of that. So when I factored that in, and then the steak, which was how much was the steak? So my dinner came to 9 points because the steak was 7 and the sweet potato was 2. Of course the aubergine, and that was free. I don't track my oil, so it meant that today I went over by, I can't remember how many weeklies that I get, but I've used 24 today, and I've probably used a little more than that if I'm honest, because again, I don't track condiments and I don't track oils and that kind of thing. But anyway, if you guys want to be more numerate than I am, refer to your app, use your barcode scanner, but always use your scales, because as I've shown you multiple times, it can make every difference. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna end the night with my nightly orange as usual. I probably didn't expect anything else from me, and I'm gonna go, but I hope you'll enjoy it. Have the best weekend, and I will see you on Wednesday.